G'day guys, thanks for tuning into this video. Today I will be showing you once again our training at the rugby club. So in this video I will be including not only the training from Tuesday but also on Thursday. This time I didn't take any videos in the gym because the training was pretty much the same as the week before. So if you're curious to see what kind of stuff we do in the gym, make sure to check out my previous videos. So at the start of this video, I showed you guys a bit of our usual warm-ups that we do once we've hit the field. I didn't show everything for the sake of time, but it's pretty much the standard dynamic movements that you usually do at any rugby training, or any sport for that matter. Anyway, here we are. Straight after the warm-ups, we jumped into our fitness, right off the bat. So there were 3 different distances that we could choose from to run in 20 seconds. So that was our goal, and once we finished each lap, we had 10 seconds rest. So 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off, and we basically just did a bunch of those for our fitness session. So once that was all done, we all sipped on some much needed water. And then after that, the real training started. In this training session, we had 3 stations, and in this station, I was going to show you our tackle drill. But bad news guys, just as we were about to start our drills, my phone ran out of storage. So my phone was set up filming this whole entire training session, and I come back to find that there was nothing filmed. Here I am about to do my post-training tradition. This right here is a sideline 22 drop goal. Oh, a little bit better. A little bit better. If you saw my previous attempt, you would know how much better this one was. But I almost pulled my calf. That brings us to our next training session, the Thursday session. We started off with our attack shapes, nice and slow at first, and then eventually built up the speed. Most of us already know what we're doing, but we are getting a few new faces every training session. I didn't take the camera with me when we moved to the other side of the field, but right now the backs are doing their own thing while us forwards are learning how to maul off of a line out, and also how to defend one. I personally found this training session to be very interesting because I was learning a lot. I always watched the pros do their lineouts and mauls on TV, but I never realized how many intricate details there are and how easy it is to stuff up. Here we are at the end of our training session doing our team run. This is supposed to be where we put what we learned into practice, but when it comes to our attack shapes, we still got a long way to go because we know what to do, but we're just not doing it in these real game situations. Don't get me wrong, it's still really fun, and I love being out there with the boys, running around, struggling with my fitness or lack thereof. But hey, that lineout wasn't bad at all. We ran around for quite a while and it was quite tiring, but it's always good to get the legs pumping and the lungs working. After the team run, we gathered up and ended the training session like usual. We're back. 22, sideline drop kick. Take 2. Oh, best technique. That one was pretty. That one was beautiful. Last one. You didn't see that. We're getting better. But how many training sessions do you think it'll take for me to get one over? Stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.